Hello， 4年级的小朋友们，今天我们来学教材第4页的内容。A. Let's talk， 让我们谈论一下吧。Hey， 张鹏。Hey， 张鹏。We have a new classroom。我们有一间新教室。We have a new classroom. Have a 连起来 have. We have a new classroom. 我们有一间新教室。Really? 真的吗？注意这个单词好多孩子都读错，不是 really, 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 really 真的吗？ What's in the classroom? 教室里面有什么？ What 注意这两个字母的连读 t s t t What's in the classroom? 教室里面有什么？ Let's go and see. Go and 划过来 go when go and see. Let's go and see. Go and 然后这个字母 D 失去爆破。Let's go and see. Go on. Let's go and see. 让我们去看看吧。It's so big. 哇，它真大。Big 注意短音 e。It's so big. 它真大呀。Look 看 my picture. Picture. Look my picture. 看我的图画。Where is it? Is it? Where is it? 它在哪儿？ It's near the window. It's near the window. 它在窗户的旁边。Let's play. I see a sea. 我看见一个 sea. Where is it? 它在哪儿？ It's in a desk. 读快了 is in a desk. 它在一张桌子里面。好，完整读一遍。A. Let's talk. Hey, 张鹏。We have a new classroom. Really? What's in the classroom? Let's go and see. It's so big. Look, my picture. Where is it? It's near the window. Let's play. I see a sea. Where is it? It's in a desk. 喜欢小爱老师，双击关注，每天一起来学英语吧。